Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video you're gonna continue. Yesterday, we're gonna continue our another application video or the requirement analysis video at first for episode number 27. It will be for Rptu College of Engineering, Kaiserslautern-Landau in the mechanical engineering for industrial systems. So this will be the episode number 27 that we will be doing for some semester, winter semester intakes for master degree courses, specifically for engineering sciences, which are focused on mechanical engineering. But before that, if you're new to this channel and you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make videos about requirement analysis at first. In the requirement analysis, we usually go through the all colleges website by using that website. In that website, we just go through the college and what are the requirements that usually you need to fulfill in order to get into that particular course, and what are the documents that we need to submit. Then after getting to know all the documents and what are the things that we need to submit, we also check for the deadlines and when to apply and where to apply. After having all this information, we will also make a separate video on how to apply videos and step by step. So upon this, we will also one-on-one session and services for our YouTube subscribers, so where you can also check and book your things, whichever the services that you need. If you need to talk to me one-on-one, then there is a 60 minutes, 30 minutes, 120 minutes upon whichever you want to check for one-on-one sessions. Then there is a priority DM and digital products also, where you can also get your college shortlisted and the packages for application deals that you can use it for any of the services that you want to take it. Then you can always take, and if you don't want to, then there are already free application procedure that I have uploaded in the YouTube channel, then you can also check out there. But without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. Today it will be, I said, mechanical engineering for industrial system, episode number 27 for requirement analysis. Whenever we do the requirement analysis, we just go through the overview, course title, cost fundings, and requirements and registration. In the overview, it's Master of Science, and the course location is in Kaiserslautern. Teaching language is English. Then the language, the core language taught in is English only. Elective courses can be English or German, depending upon which elective course that you choose. In the first 2 semesters, 3 credit points each can be recognized for German courses that exceeds level A2 as a part of compulsory elective modules, where a special course of teaching German is being planned. You need to learn, and it is a very good thing that they have planned, and it is a compulsory German language learning after being there, because it will help to get you a good full-time job if you have a good German. Then full-time, part-time, it is only full-time possible, no part-time possible. For program duration is 4 semester and only in winter semester possible, because there is no summer semester. The additional information on the beginning of the duration of the studies you can check here, but usually the winter semester starts in October. So that's it. Then application deadline for us is just for candidates who are from foreign nations who need a who need a visa, then they have to apply before 30th of April. So if you already know or guessed, so next upcoming 2 videos will be, I will show you how to apply for this particular course in Rptu college for this particular course. Then tuition fees is none. Combined degree program is also not possible. Joint degree is also not possible. So mechanical engineering for industrial systems is a 4-semester master degree program in the bachelor degree with a solid background of mechanical engineering, interest in industrial research, development, implementation of mechanical engineering related fields. So it consists of 120 ECTS, which will be usually 120 credit points, and 4 semester. So one of the 3 possibility specializations are, you can choose industrial drive technology or advanced mechanics for digital engineering or digital production technology. You can also check what are the things that you will be learning in each things. So in the industrial drive technology, you will be learning about drive technology plays a role in wherever the things moves, so you will be doing in there. Then advanced mechanics and digital engineering is for digital complex systems, where you will be doing mechanical engineering things. And digital project technology would be for industrial 4.0, where you will be planning and providing most of the robotics and other things like that. But you can check also in course details, where first and second semester would be, for most of the time it will be for mandatory subjects, and in the third subject or third semester you will focus on elective modules. But in the first and second semester mandatory subjects, you will also choose based on your specialization that you will be choosing, and you already know there is 3 specialization. You have to choose any one specialization that you want to pursue. And the skill and the 4th semester, after finishing your 3 semester, the 4th semester will be your master thesis. But a skill learned are applied in the third semester, both in a 3-month internship and a project. So usually in the third semester you will be doing 3 months of internship. So usually you won't get 3 months of internship. Less people or less companies give that. So usually they offer you 6 months. So please take it and do 6 months. Don't need to worry. And you have to also do a project in a local institute where you will also awarded as a mini thesis, because this will be the building block for your master thesis, which you will be doing in semester 4, which is reserved for your master thesis. And at the finishing of your master thesis and defending it rightly, then you will get a diploma supplement issued. Integrated internship, as we already discussed, the required integrated internship can be completed with our industrial partners. There are so many industrial partners, companies that are tied up with Rptu college. Please, the first application has to be with the partner companies, because they know Rptu college has a mandatory internship and they will give more preference to people who are coming from Rptu college. Then after industrial partners are gone, or when you get a rejection in that, then you can go and apply in complete entire Germany, wherever you want, because usually in all the companies mandatory internship people will get a higher hierarchy, because they need to finish it. That's the reason they will prefer you. And cooperating external research institute and suitable companies are there. Depending on the suitability of the context of working student, activities can be also recognized as a individual internship weeks. So usually they are also considering that if you get a working student, they are also considering that as a internship weeks. And course specific integrated German courses, yes, and English course is not there, but German course is there. That is very good. Tuition fees is none, as we already know. There is no tuition fees, but we have to pay around 350 euros together for the Deutschland ticket, and assessment fees for 60 euros for Rptu Kaiserslautern, 75 euros for Rptu Landau, single payment for verification for foreign application. So usually if you are a person who are applying for this particular course, then you need to pay 75 euros or 860 euros depending on where you are applying. Are you applying in Rptu Kaiserslautern or Rptu Landau? And this is a single payment for verification. And in social fees or 350 euros, you will also get your student ticket. With this you can also travel entire Germany. As of now in Deutschland ticket, it is free, but only you can travel in regional bank in entire Germany. But once the Deutschland ticket is gone, then you will also get your state ticket or any of the student ticket that is valid for your state. So no need to worry. Then recommended international student, or the money for entire month is approximately 800 euros. So usually it will 850 euros. So usually it will be varied from person to person. Some people can live more than that, some people can live under it, so it depends on people. But as of now, till date, for the visa you need to anyway have 11,600 or something you need to block, and that particular money will be divided into 12 parts and sent to you every month. So you have to live under that. So usually if you are living under that, then there is no problem. If you are living above that, then you need to find a part-time job so that you can take care of your expenses. And it will be also good if you get a work student or internship in between in the second semester or third semester, because in that second year then you can also prove that your work contract, then you can get your visa extended. Funding opportunity within the university, there is no funding opportunity within the university. Requirements and registration, which is the main thing. If you want to get into this particular course, what are the things that you need to have? You need to have a bachelor degree in mechanical engineering with a focus of selectable specialization. TOEFL and IELTS are required. GRE is recommended, but it is not mandatory. CGPA and bachelor GPA should be around 2, or in German grading system it should be BEC in equivalent. So you should have 2 or better. Then applicants are expected to have a sufficient knowledge in the field of mathematics, mechanics, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, etc. So these major course will be for sure completed in mechanical engineering course, no need to worry. But if you are applying for the computer aided or industrial drive technology, then you need to have a more modules in computer aided CAD, or you should have interest in computer aided CAD or digital model techniques and finite element methods. But if you want to study advanced mechanics and data engineering, then finite element method and continuous mechanics. Digital project technology also need to have an interest in CAD or digital model technology, manufacturing technologies. So whichever is your interest field, then choose your specialization accordingly. English language things are a little bit higher. It's not 6.5. You need to have a IELTS band of 7 or equivalent, which is C1. Then the application deadline is 30th April, that we already know. So people who have around CGPA less than or GPA less than 2 or 2 with the IELTS band of 7, then they can apply before April 30 in their direct online application portal. I think it will be 60 euros or 75 euros that you need to also pay. Then you will get an admission. Once you get an admission, you will get a student visa. With that student visa, you can start possibly as a part-time job. So usually you can work as technical and non-technical jobs both in German. In the technical jobs, you will usually work as work student, heavy research assistant, etc., etc. Once if you don't get it, any of the technical jobs, you can always work as a non-technical job in any of the lager shop, restaurants, and etc. Accommodation, usually you will have your student and dorms in 250 euros to 350 euros in Kaiserslautern and Landau both. But if you don't get any of the student and dorms, then please I suggest to check beforehand in private accommodation. But in order to get the student and dorms, you can already apply as soon as you get your application confirmation. Then career advisory service is always there for international students, where there is a welcome event, buddy program, accompanying program, special aid counseling, culture in linguistic preparation, visa matters, etc., where they will also check your visa and check for the opportunities of the work and wherever the message is happening, where you can go and submit your CV and also apply for their particular college, other things. But yeah, this is the thing I just wanted to mention you guys. If you also get to know about the university section of Rptu University, you can already check what are the colleges, what are the course that they have, when is the college established, where is the university location, which big city it is near to, what are the companies around it, you can already check. So that's the thing I just wanted to mention you guys in episode number 27, Rptu College of Mechanical Engineering for Industrial Systems. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and you already know what are the things that we will be covering in next application or next 2 videos. We will be covering our Mechanical Engineering for Industrial Systems 2 parts, where we will be checking our application videos. So see you in next videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.